Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. I've been meaning to make some homemade lace for a while, but I haven't got around to it yet. So anyway, I was in the shop one day and then I saw this cake lace kit and I decided to buy it to give it a try. It comes in this box and it's the instructions on the box, and I'm supposed to make something like this. Okay, so here's the jar of the cake lace and the silicone mold. It seems pretty straightforward to use, okay? Let me just mix it together, just to get it together, and then use it as the instructions say and see how it goes. Just trying to spread it in as much as I can. It seems like I need a lot more than I would think, because to fill it up, just fill it up as much as I can and spread it, and then remove excess one, because if you have the excess on it, it will join the pattern of the finished product and it won't have a nice finish to it. It says you can leave this to air dry for a couple of hours or put it in the oven for about 12 to 14 minutes for a few minutes. So I'm just going to put it in the oven and see how it goes. So it's been in the oven now and I'm going to try and peel it off. This is quite nice. I like how it comes out, nice and clean. As long as you do it well, it should be alright. I'm going to try and use this on some cupcakes. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.